A 3,000-year-old tree suddenly started glowing at night, leaving botanists bewildered and sparking an urgent scientific quest to uncover its mystery. Picture this, a towering ancient giant, once just a silent witness to history, now casting an eerie luminescent glow in the darkness, as if nature itself has flipped a switch. Researchers are racing against time to decode this phenomenon, speculating if it's an undiscovered biological process or a reaction to environmental changes. Some whisper it's a sign from the past, a luminous message encoded in the tree's ancient bark. Imagine the possibilities, hidden compounds with untapped potential, or perhaps a natural phenomenon we've never seen before. As scientists probe deeper, the world watches, captivated by a living relic that refuses to keep its secrets buried any longer. What secrets could this glowing giant hold, and what could it mean for our understanding of nature itself?